Hi, I'm Hayden.
Hi, I'm Kim.
I'm Brad.
We're 626 Ohana, California. Today we're doing a tour at the beach club, a 1-bedroom DVC villa. So we're excited. It's the first time we're staying here, and we'll have you guys come along as we get a look at it for the first time too.
So yeah, we'll show you the spaces and storage and everything that we find along the way.
Please like, subscribe, and follow along with our Ohana.
All right, let's go take a tour. Room 430.
Got a little desk.
Got a little desk mirror right when we walk in.
Some lights.
Hello, everybody.
Oh, hold on. I don't think that's ours.
Oh, they even set up
Hidden Mickey.
Hidden Mickey on the table as we walk in. So we got into the entrance. You saw that. You saw the Hidden Mickey in here. So we'll go ahead and do the kitchen first. This is a 1-bedroom.
Yeah.
So we got this little bit smaller fridge than what we have had before.
Oh yeah, freezer's a little.
Freezer, but that's okay. It's
Yeah,
bigger
we're not using it.
It's bigger than what we would have at Polly. Microwave.
Oh, I like how they have the little starfish
Oh yeah, that's cool. They do have
on the
those.
handles.
So you got basically your microwave and everything.
Oh,
Oh, okay.
got a ton of dishes.
Amy would have been really happy.
All wine glasses for her.
Then the handles.
This seems bigger kitchen than what we stayed for Animal Kingdom.
No, this is smaller.
Is it?
Yeah, this is quite a bit smaller than the Animal Kingdom counter is.
Okay, so these are just kind of open for groceries.
Yeah, it's really nice. You got
So,
dishwasher.
Dishwasher.
So basically you got
Your cleaning supplies under there.
So basically you got everything in here you want in the kitchen you want.
All right, let's see what's underneath the TV.
TV. Oh, I kind of like the breakfast.
Oh, okay, so they have some linen under here.
So that's gonna go perfect
The
where,
bed.
where Hayden's gonna be sleeping. Well, maybe he should sleep there. What do you think? No.
No. Well, we'll pull it out later tonight and
Yeah.
show you. So you just realized this has some pull-out storage.
Okay, that's nice for
Wow.
Hayden in here.
Yeah, he's already taken over the living room. And then even this little side table
Has a little bit.
has
Oh,
a
has a
little
drawer.
tiny drawer, so that'll be nice.
We'll get it figured out.
Yeah,
And there was storage in here too, right?
yeah. Once you take out the linen, I think you have plenty of
Oh, yeah.
storage.
You're good.
Yeah,
And more USB ports. Forgot to show those ones.
yeah. So I mean, it's a nice size, especially for the three of us. It's a great size. And then
That's
we
kind
have
of a
nice-
small porch.
Yeah.
You can see.
This must be the quiet pool.
And you get the pool.
Yeah, and the river.
Huh. Cool. It is, even though it's January, it's 86 degrees out.
Which is kind of shocking how humid it was.
Yes.
Because we've been here in January and froze before.
Okay. So this is nice, and I really like this little bars
Yeah.
right there if you need to, if you don't have enough room for the table. The table's really nice too.
Yeah.
That's perfect for us. We're a family of 3.
And then you have your washer and dryer.
Yes, and that's gonna come handy because it's stripped because we didn't pack as much as we normally do.
Speak for yourself.
Oh. Yeah.
Okay, so here is our shower.
Okay. We got the
Bathroom.
pocket toilet.
Yeah. And yay, none of the big bottles in here.
Oh yes, they give you the
Still
good stuff in
individual.
there. And you sell, if you can see them right there.
Yeah.
See them right there. We got the individuals, none of the pump bars. Okay.
And
That's it.
Oops, sorry. This is kind of
Wow.
nice. I like this.
This is really big. Nice tub.
Yeah.
That's a big tub.
And you have a nice little.
And you got the mirrors and everything. Hi again.
You got walk-in closets. Yay.
Walk-in closet. Okay. Oh, there's your safe. Okay.
Do
And
you see
luggage
how much
rack.
storage there was for toiletries?
Oops, sorry. Let me back up. Yeah, there is a lot of storage for toiletry.
Now I'm curious because there's a bathtub and an outlet. There's outlets over here too. Okay, interesting. Oh, okay.
Extra.
They got little nautical looking hooks for your towels.
For your hand
Ropes.
towels. All right, well, cool.
All right, let me see if it's
All
high
right.
enough.
Oh yeah, this is nice.
Yeah.
And of course, Hayden has to crash every bed that we get.
Stinker. Here, let me turn on some lights so you can see. Now behind here, there are some USB port.
USB ports there, so you can plug in your phones and plugins. Yeah, that's a really comfy looking bed. It's actually pretty big.
Yeah, that's nice. I really like that
And you
part.
got a really big TV in here, again, and more USB. And if you watch all my tour videos, I'm obsessed with USB ports for charging.
Yeah. But this has got a lot of storage.
Yeah, this has got a lot of storage. And then they also have the little...
Okay, so let's see. Does it pop up? Nope.
Slides out.
Slides out.
So-
Oopsies.
So that slides out so you can put more luggage into
Yeah,
it.
you got a little chair.
Chair.
Place to put your stuff down.
And a desk. And guess what? More USB ports. Perfect.
Yeah. And
Again,
still
we
the
have
really nice view.
a view of the pool. So
This
that's
is lovely view.
yes. So
But no porch on this one.
and again, this is
Oh no, I think next door our
our room has
dining
porch.
room has a porch.
Yeah, the main bed.
Okay, that's where it's at.
Okay. So
Anyways, later tonight when Hayden gets ready for bed, we'll pop out the sofa bed so you'll get to see what that's like. So please don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow along with our Ohana for all of our tips and tricks. We will be doing a little resort tour, hanging out. We'll show you what it's like to walk to Epcot in the morning and things like that.
so this is how the bed looks folded out. And how
The
much room,
space
yeah.
in the room.
So Kim has that door open, but
Sorry.
you still have enough room to walk around and be comfortable in.
Yeah, for
And
sure.
So there was something else that we saw and we forgot to show you guys. There's a little closet back here. Has a pack and play, vacuum, big mop bucket. So there you go.
This is kind of nice as a
That's-
child safety lock.
So that's way up high.
So you have to do both.
So in case you have an escape artist.
This little tiny patio. So one thing we noticed is a little bit of a walk from the lobby.
The other disadvantage I'm looking at, and I can see it on the map already, and we haven't shown it to you, is that it's going to be a long walk to the buses as well.
So we're going to show that too as maybe today, tomorrow, whenever we do that, just so you get an idea of what that looks like.
Other than that, the room is really nice so far. I'm really happy with the size of it for a one bedroom.
Yeah.
I cannot complain. And it's like, again, we are comparing a lot of this to different sizes we've seen, so. And
I
I'm
think
looking.
we've spent a lot of time at the Poly and at Wilderness Lodge, Copper Creek. So this is our first time staying over at the Epcot resorts.
Yeah, so this will be nice, and join us along with our adventures on this. This is
Yeah.
going to be fun for us because we've never done this before.
Exactly. So it's time for us to say
Goodbye and find your magic. Bye, everybody.